Okay, so I was wrong. On this one here, it's a little different. You turn it on, you'll hear the cartridges start moving inside, and before you do anything else, wait till it's done making noises. But it's not exposed automatically like it is on certain, well, most other printers that I've worked on. So let's see. It stopped making noises, so I open it up, and as you can see, it's still covered. It's still, you can't access anything with that in the way. So you have to manually specify that you want to pull these out to here to be able to touch them. So you go left, left, left to setup. Hit OK. Ink levels. Hit OK. You have OK and cartridge replacement. We want the replacement, so we go down, OK. And then hit the start button. And by doing that, see, now it pops out. So to take one out, there's this little tab here on the back. Tab, 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 one for each one. Take this tab, pull it towards you, kind of just jiggle it and pull it out. So that's how you would take it out. So let's say this one here. Ooh, look, it's a brand new ink cartridge. You just go ahead, fit it in here like that. Just push down. You'll hear that tab make that clicking noise. Close that, and then when you go down here, replace ink cartridges. Okay, I just did that. So you would hit start, checks it, and then last time it said it was charging it, which I don't understand, but yeah, I didn't know you could charge an ink cartridge, but it's gotta mean something different. And there you go. After about a minute and a half, it pops up and says replacement complete, so you hit OK. Oh, I was a little slow there, but it would have probably just went back to that menu. So as you can see, because I didn't actually change it with the new one, it's still low. Yeah. Just wondering, if I hit that and then I hit proceed or OK, what happened? Oh, it just goes back. Well, that's how you change the ink on the Epson XP-440 printer. Thanks for watching.